Good morning, art lovers. Welcome to Riffsley. This is the first Rockpool I painted. Kurkor, South Kurkor Rockpool. This is a composite painting. Took 3 photos to paint this one. This one of the Rockpool, lots of people there. A featured model. And a photo of the dog. So I used 3 photos. Put that together to make the painting. First I painted the rock pool on the beach. It's Coco Surf Club on the left, all yellow. Don't normally paint railings and things like that. They quite enhance the composition, lead your eye into the frame. Your eye then goes up the surf and back across the horizon line, follows the beach back down to the pool. Love the colours in this one. Drew it all in black, then painted it in, left some of the black lines. Initially I wanted to leave loads of the black lines in, but got rid of them, made it more painterly. Of the purple beach and the aqua water. Changed the colour of the cement about 4 times till I was happy with it. The last time I changed it and left some of the cement as shadow, worked perfectly, and I thought, that's it. Didn't like the green cement. Needed to be more grey, and I needed to lighten it up. When I started putting the reflections on the water, it really started to look good. It's like I was onto something. I was getting ready to finish. I lighten the cement one all the time, and this is where I leave the shadows in. Also gave me opportunity to paint up to the railings and make them thinner. Clean the steps up a bit. The sky is so flat. Just flat and blue, scorching hot summer's day at Kurkor. I had a little bit of a wisp, just for interest. Right at the end, I think. Changed the railings, changing them to a lighter colour. And that's the last little reflections on the water. Can't really see the cloud in the sky there. Well, thanks for watching. Oh, there's a fair bit of cloud in that sky. That's our model. Favourite place it is, Rockpool. See you later.